Shabba ranking from big ship rhythm. Right now, I'm not mad about it, but
well, people figure more or less a controversy selling them, but not all the time and not every time. People speculate the music and try to chop up the music. But I've been doing none of them for 7 years. I've got this lyrics for 7 years, and 7 years ago Vice Cartel wasn't famous. You know what I mean? Put it like this, it's like Vice Cartel, I did a portion of work within this music. So a youth like Vice Cartel could have a pavement or a platform to do the music. You see me and David, so I would never do anything or try to compete with the younger youths them. But people love this passa living and this dirty living and this, you know what I mean, this fussing and fighting living and this crabbing and barrel system where instead of one excel and help the other, that one excel and try to cast off whosoever is trying to come in. But no, I'm not Shabba that. No, I don't mean that. Put it like this. Yeah, the music, if you want to chop up the music and you want to dissect the music, why don't you listen and say that I say God is the man? And give thanks and praise to God himself. Why you don't say? That's it. I even say Shabba ranks is the top ranking from compound to gully banking. Why you never see I'm talking to my father? You see what I'm saying?